Yeah.
Yeah, it feels the same in my throat the whole time, which is
Yes.
not a usual thing for me because you feel like more strain at the higher notes and it's more comfortable at the lower notes. A weird but good feeling to be
Weird
like,
but good
oh,
feeling, yeah.
I might be able to hit higher notes.
If you want to sing higher, one of the biggest milestones or goals we can have as a singer is at least on a scale, can we go up and down our range and just change pitch only? Because this highlights or shows you the feeling of just engaging the muscles that stretch and thin out the vocal folds, because that's how we change pitch. You no longer have to rely on adding extra power, opening your mouth, supporting a lot, doing all these extra kind of things in order to make that scale work. Just engaging those stretch muscles. And as you can imagine, if you can do this, this solves 80% of your singing problems. And yes, I did just pull a random statistic from thin air, but really my point here is this is really important to develop. And to prove my point here, and also to help you understand and actually be able to do it yourself, watch as I help a student experience this milestone for the very, very first time. Because there's literally a feeling or a sensation to this. And so feel free to practice along with this lesson, because you don't want to just be able to understand this theoretically, but actually be able to feel it, right? So that you can replicate it again and again and again. Hope you enjoy. Basically, you're trying to notice, does that grip stay the same the whole time?
Hmm.
Because now that you got a bit of a feel of it, right? Or does it change? That's key.
Oh, 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 hmm. Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah, come back down. It's okay.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah, let's actually go to that place because you're actually doing it pretty cool. Right now it's quite like nasal kind of sound, but it could work to your advantage, right? If you're okay with kind of going for like a kind of maybe not as like aesthetic kind of sound, I
Mhm,
want you to actually go just kind of let it go there, right? It's not a finished sound,
mhm, mhm.
but it can help you find maybe that closure after.
Uh, 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 uh,
Yeah, again. Yeah, you can make that even more, maybe even more like, like, Yes, nice. Yeah, lean into that. Don't change that feeling. Yes, this is really solid closure. Nice. Yes. Wonderful. Wonderful. We found a nice path through. This is way cleaner. How does that feel?
Good. I sound like a fake violin on a keyboard. But I think when I try to embody that sound, I'm connecting better for whatever
Yeah.
bizarre reason. Brains are weird.
It is weird. It is weird. Yeah. Um, but that's probably one of your best exercises right now because you're feeling, even though it's not a sound we want to sing with, you're feeling good
Mhm,
independence. Because as you go
mhm,
up and down your range, there's no adjustment in like the power part of it. It's kind
mhm.
of pretty even. That means the muscles are doing the things that they need to do. Is that kind of what it feels like to you? You're kind of like just changing pitch, really.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it feels the same in my throat the whole time, which is
Yes.
not a usual thing for me because you feel like more strain at the higher notes and it's more comfortable at the lower notes. And so
Mm.
I that's a weird but good feeling to be
Weird
like,
but good
oh,
feeling. Yeah.
I might be able to hit higher notes fuller.
Yeah. That's it. So that's what the coordination at least there is what typically people call more of a mix because you're not
Mhm,
just going to head, letting go
mhm,
of closure, but you're also not just like getting loud and loud and like hitting a wall. It's because
mhm,
both of these muscles are working greatly together. That's kind of what allows you to do that. So basically, goal today is pretty simple. Can we find that a bit more consistently? And then I want to normalize that sound a little bit. Because right now you're feeling all of these kind of things,
mhm.
which can be helpful, right? But it's this is kind of like a proxy for like how well these things are working.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Because the
yeah,
vibration, the vocal cords are here. Why does it make a difference to how I'm connecting them based on where I feel it resonate? I,
it's a good
that'll be
question.
something to ponder
Something to
over the
ponder about.
next week.
Yeah, it is something to ponder about. Like the voice, like there's a few different ways to think about it. The voice isn't this like black and white system. Like everything affects each other a little bit. So you could be feeling that, right? Sometimes when you correct the resonance, these things work better. Sometimes when you correct this, the breathing gets better. That's one. The other part of it is, remember how I was talking about like translation, or like, right now you can get one sound where it works really, really nicely. It could just be like, that's the one where kind of things work pretty nicely. Over
I have
time, we're going to
set
translate it.
habits
Yeah.
when I'm sounding nicer. And
Yes.
I was always told not to sound and so I don't have habits with my vocal cords when I'm moving with that sound.
Yeah,
Maybe.
exactly. Okay, cool. Let's try this. Find that spot again. And I'll give you a bit less guidance. See if you can find it on your own. Nice.
Oh, that's totally lost
You got this funny laugh.
myself.
Like you got this funny laugh whenever like things slip a little bit. It's so funny. It's so cool. Come back down. It's good. It's good. Yeah, keep the vowel a bit, not a bit more annoying. Yeah, don't change it. Last one. Wonderful. Okay, this is our first step each day with the routine. So on this really annoying something of similar quality. Basically, the idea is this, right? Can we find pitch change only?
Yeah.
And as you said, right, it feels like the throat. Well, you said it better than me. You said it better before. Like something doesn't change. Is that what you said?
Yeah. I feel the vibration in my throat, and it doesn't move back. I can feel it right here the whole time, and
Yeah.
my pitch just changes.
And my pitch just changes. Yes. That's it. That's good independence.